Aloha and welcome to another programming tutorial for CIS 101. In this video we're going to build on our previous work of creating an HTML page by adding some what's called hypertext markup to our document, and we're going to insert an image as well. So let's take a look and see how we can do that. Okay, so I'm going to go back to, I was in my cPanel file manager, and just in case you've completely logged out, make sure you click on your cPanel shortcut at yourusername.is2.byuh.edu. We'll log in. And we will go to the file manager. Okay, once here, we'll go into our CIS 101 folder and click index.html, and we're going to edit it. I'm going to click code editor, Click edit. Now, so far, all I've done is inserted some text and saved this file as an HTML document. Now, enlarge this text so it's a little more visible on the screen. Okay, but this really isn't a web page in a pure sense because there's no what we call markup. When you want to format a web page, you use what's called tags, like this one, to describe what the text is on the page. For instance, H1 says this is a first level heading. Okay, and I can use P to mark off a paragraph. Okay, now these labels inside these caret brackets or angle brackets are called tags, and most HTML elements have an opening tag and a closing tag. Okay, and you can find lots of reference sheets on the web for HTML tags. Okay, and if you're really interested in learning all about these, I recommend you enroll in IT 240 and check the accompanying videos on this YouTube channel for that course. Okay, so we've done that. Now we'll save this change, and I'm going to open up. Well, I'll keep editing, keep that open. But then we'll open up our folder, and now you'll see something different. Okay, we have hello world is now big and bold, and there's a blank line, and then it says my name is Aaron Curtis. This formatting was done by default because I structured the document and I said this is a heading, and the browser says headings should have large text, and paragraphs should be separated from headings with a blank line. So that's part of what HTML is good for, and this gives us some more formatting choices in addition to what's on the command line. Now though, we're going to try to put an image in our document. Okay, so I might go back here to this tab. I'm going to go to a place like images.google.com, and I might search for an image of BYU Hawaii. Okay, and we have some lovely images. We'll grab this one. We can do this one of the Yosepa, but let's also make sure we're grabbing pictures that people have labeled for reuse. Okay. Alright, and this one looks good. So I'm going to save this image as, and I'm going to save it to my desktop for now. I'm going to call it mckay.jpg. Okay, now it's here, and what I need to do is I need to go back to my file manager, upload a file, choose mckay.jpg, and then in my code I'm going to add this line. Image source equals mcky.jpg / close. Okay, I'll save that, and now there's my picture. So that's how you add a picture to a basic HTML web page. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and have fun coding.